Hello everyone, good morning. Today I would like to present about autism spectrum disorder and Asperger syndrome. Now I'm going to start with autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder, also known as ASD, is a range of neurodevelopment disorder that's typically characterized by challenges with social interaction and communication, repetitive habits, interests, and others. Onset for ASD is typically before 3 years old, and the condition stays throughout the entire life. According to some studies, ASD prevalence rate is estimated to be at 6 per 1,000. According to an estimation by CDC, approximately 4 times as many boys as girls have autism, which means more boys have autism compared to girls. Autistic children can be found in most of the families, regardless of race, religion, more. ASD range from many disorders, which include Asperger syndrome, autism, and many more. Okay, what is autism? Autism, also known as Autism Spectrum, which is known as ASD, refers to a wide range of diseases that affect how the brain develops. Autism also coexists with other neuropsychiatric disorders, which include seizures, Tourette's syndrome, and many more. The diagnosis of autism depends heavily on disorder's behavioral traits. The traits are categorized into 4 subclusters of disturbance: social interactions, communication,